Solve your relationship problems without breaking up. How do you usually handle issues in your relationship? Do you have a sense of helplessness and frustration? Do you give up easily? Do you ever get enraged? Or do you do something to fix whatever it is that is broken? The reality is that only a few people know how to survive the most difficult struggles in their relationships, while the majority end up saying goodbye to their love story with a broken heart. There is no such thing as a trouble-free partnership. Every couple faces different kinds of challenges as they navigate life together. Some are minor, while others can be more difficult to overcome. These issues are part of a couple's patience test, and it is up to them to figure out how to solve them. Unfortunately, there are several problems that the couple could no longer overcome, resulting in ending their relationship. When confronted with the most difficult challenges, a breakup is not always the solution, even though you believe it is the only way to stop your heart from hurting. If you are torn apart between saving your relationship and ending it, this video will assist you in making the best decision. Here are some helpful hints about how to fix relationship issues without breaking up. But before we begin, support this video and channel by leaving a like right now and smashing the subscribe button. Enjoy. Accept the fact that you don't have a perfect relationship. You are not living in a dream world, and your love story will never be as beautiful as what you read in tales. And that is perfectly fine. Recognizing that your relationship isn't flawless is a step toward resolving its issues. Accept that you and your partner are only human beings who can make bad decisions. Don't end the relationship just because you did something wrong or your partner made a mistake. Please discuss the problems, admit that you make mistakes, and learn from them. Talk about the problems that are affecting your relationship. When the two of you face a misunderstanding over a particular issue, like when you cannot agree on a joint decision, the best recourse is to talk things through. Communication is the golden key to making a relationship last, especially when trying to solve a problem that affects both of you. Talk about it first and try to understand what went wrong. It's best to discuss the issues together instead of fighting and playing the blame game. And if only one person made a mistake, you both have a part to play in correcting it. You apologize, forgive, give second chances, and learn from your mistakes. Take some space from each other, but set an amount of time. Taking some time apart from each other can be a way to calm down the emotions, especially if you've gotten into a heated argument. If you are on a high emotional level, you will be unable to come up with a sound resolution, so it is best to take some time off. You may want to spend time alone with family or friends, or with yourself to think things through. Just make sure to tackle them all at once when you're ready to face the issue. Make sure that this time apart is long enough for your feelings to settle down. Take a walk together. When you can't come up with a solution to your argument, going for a walk will help. Unlike traveling or taking a holiday, going for a stroll is a much easier way to think about your problem and the kind of approach you want to implement. Walking also allows you to unwind and remember that you are on the same path. Go through the argument while holding hands. For some couples, holding hands when discussing relationship issues can seem cheesy, but this technique is widely recommended, even by psychologists. When you hold hands when talking about an issue, you can sense each other's feelings without saying something. You develop a more trusting relationship that allows you to share empathies, and the decision you make to solve the problem becomes genuine and wholehearted. Apologize and mean it. If you and your partner are arguing, you will undoubtedly hurt each other's feelings, either through the words you speak to each other or through your exchange of reactions. However, regardless of who is at fault, be prepared to apologize. Saying sorry does not necessarily imply that you accept responsibility for the situation, but rather that you have put your partner in an unfavorable role. It is also essential that you understand why you are apologizing and that you only mean well. Be patient, be more understanding, and have a little more faith. When your relationship issues are intensified by the fact that you are in a long-distance relationship, you must depend on 3 essential qualities: flexibility, understanding, and confidence. Don't end a relationship just because you're impatient. Allow your partnership time to adapt to being long distance, and most importantly, have a little more confidence in your partner. If you like this video and would like to hear more, be sure to press the subscribe button.